Hello. In today's sessions, we'll be discuss about the like a conditional statement, or it is also called the like a decision making. Okay. Why do we need the like a decision in the real life? Kalesh, tell me. Why do we need decision in the real life? Salesh,
Yeah,
why do we need decision in the real life?
we need some condition, right, to follow up the things. So that's why I need a conditional to give some conditional. Like for
Okay.
example, if I'm paying a car EMI every month, so that one condition that we need to set it out for our banking. That every month that I need to pay this much. So that's where making a condition while taking a car.
Okay. Like for example, if one student wants to take the admission in the particular college, and the college have the like a criteria like a if the student have scored like a 80% marks, then the college will take the admission to that candidate. Okay, that means student will think about it like a how can I get or how to score like a 80% marks in the like a 10th board or the 12th board so that I can take the admission. So that is nothing but like a decision. Now, if you want to give a voting, so what is the edge factor? If you want to give the voting, what should be the edge factor? Yes, tell me.
21,
Sorry. If you want to give a vote,
21.
not 21, 18, 18 plus. 18 or
Okay,
18, 18 or 18 plus. If you want to make your driving license, what is the edge factor?
18.
18. Okay, so this is like based on the real life. Okay, whatever rules we are following in the real life, based on the real life example, we are going to implement in the like a programming language. It doesn't mean like we are like writing the program and implementing in the real life. No, based on the real life situation, we are developing the like applications or the programs we are developing it, and that we are providing to the like users or the customer to use that like applications. The decision making always like a give the like a chance to the like a execute the like a particular task. Okay, or it will give the like a direction. Okay, which will give the like a decide the direction and the flow of like a execution of the program. The decision making statement like a decide the direction and the flow of execution of the program. So that purpose we are using the like a decision making. And decision making always like a take the choice to identify the like a decision, gathering the informations and accessing the like a alternative solutions. If the one like a condition is true, so that means display it. If it is not true, then take it another condition or another decision you have to take it. If another decision is not true, then take it another decision. So like this we are like a following the like a decision making through which we can solve the problem step by steps. The step by steps decision making process, which will help us to make the more like a organize our like a task. Okay, so that accordingly we'll get the like a result. So that's why we are implementing the like a decision making. Then this module we need to talk about what is conditional statement or decision making. We can say we need to talk about the like a conditional statement and what are the different type of conditional statement in Python programming language. In programming and scripting language, conditional statements or conditional constructs are used to perform different calculations as well as like a computations or different action to perform depending on our like a requirement, whether it should be like a true or false. Condition usually uses the like a comparison and to perform some certain arithmetic expression with the some certain variables. And the expressions are always evaluated and which will return the like a true and false value. And the statement for the decision making are also called the like a conditional statement. We can say like a conditional expression, we can say decision making, we can say conditional construct, anything we can say. The conditional statements in Python programming language we can handle by using the like a if statement. But if you have already done the like a Java program, in Java we have the like a if statement. If else statement is there, if else statement is there, else if statement is there, else if statement is there, nested if statement is there. Okay, switch case is there, switch case concept is there. Is it or not? If you have already done the Java, all these statements are available or not?
Yeah.
Yes. But in Python, there is no switch case concept. Only in Python, we have the like if statement, if else statement, else if statement is there in Python, even if we can use the like a nested if. So there is no switch case concept in the like a Python. So that you have to just remember it. But how to implement the switch case? We have alternative solution, alternative technique is available that we need to discuss it. Okay, but there is no exactly the switch case concept in the like a Python. So now in Python, if statement is used for take the decision making, and it will run the like a body of code only when the if statement is true. Like for example, if you are going to withdraw the money, whenever you are going to withdraw the money, if you are giving the wrong PIN code, is it possible to withdraw money? Yes, Salesh?
No, no.
No. So that means if the condition is true, then only we can withdraw the money. If condition is
Yes.
false, not possible to withdraw the money. Now suppose if you are accessing your Gmail account and if you are giving the like a wrong user ID or the password, is it possible to access?
No.
No. So that is also nothing but like a we can say like a if statement. Only condition is true, then only it should be executed. Otherwise, it is not going to execute any block of code. So there are few things which you have to remember whenever you are writing the if statement. If you go to the like a Java program, so whenever we write the like a if statement, how we write it? So we write the if condition, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. In between, we have to write the code. But in Python, we don't write like this. So in Python, how to write it the like a if statement? So simply we have to write the if condition, and then we have to give the like a colon. We don't have to write the like a curly bracket open and curly bracket close here in Python. Colon we have to write it, and just we have to enter it. So whenever we are entering, by default it will get the like a 4 space to start the like a opening bracket. Okay. If you are going to just enter, so you are getting the default is 4 spaces. So that means it is start the like a opening bracket. So you have to write your code and then close it. Okay. So that the block will be like a executed. So this is the syntax in the Python we are using it. The colon is significant and it is required, and it separates the header of the command statement, compound statement from the like a body. And the line after the colon must be indented. And it is like a standard in the Python to use the like a 4 spaces for indenting. And all the lines indented the same amount after the like a colon will be executed whenever the Boolean expression is like a true. So if you look at the flowchart diagram, so whenever we run the program, first of all, it will check the condition. If condition is true, then the statement will be executed. If the condition is false, nothing will be happens in the like a programs. So that is nothing but like a flowchart diagram through we are implementing it. So let us see, we need to implement the like a one example by using the like a if statement. I just have to declare the like a variable age equals to int input, enter your age, enter your age. And then I need to check the condition if is greater than equals to 18, then colon, then I have to write the print function, you are eligible for voting, you are eligible for voting. After that, I'm not writing anything, just I need to save this file. If demo 1.py file. Now I need to run the program. I just have to enter the like a value that is 22. So I'm getting the message you are eligible for voting. But suppose again I'm executing the programs and I'm giving the like a age value is 12. So I'm not getting anything. So that means there is no like a result for the like a, if the condition is false, but if the condition is true, then only we'll get the result. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the way we are implementing the like a if statement. So if you look at this example here, there is a two variable x and y. Okay, x comma y, and x value is 2 and y value is 8. If x less than y, then the message will be like a x less than y, and it will be printed. So here we are just writing the like a two variable, and if it is x is less than y, then only we'll get the like a result. If it is not condition is true, so we'll not get any result. Next, if else statement. If the condition is false, something should be execute other part. Okay, if the condition is false, then we have to write the like a else part. But else is not mandatory, it is optional whenever we are writing it. And it is frequently the case that you want one thing to be happen when a condition is true. Otherwise, something will be like executed. Else the two happens when it is false. So how to write the syntax? If condition, write your code. If the condition is false, then it will be go to the like a else statement, and else statement will be like a executed here. So how do we implement it here? I just have to write the else. Okay, and then I need to write the message here. You are not eligible for voting. You are not eligible for voting. So now I'm going to run the program. I'm giving the edge value that is 12. So I'm getting the message, you are not eligible for voting. So this is the way we can implement the like a else step. Is it clear? Got it? If and the else.
Yes.
Okay. So if you look at the flowchart diagram, so whenever we are running the programs or executing the program, first of all, it will check the condition. If condition is true, the statement 1 will be executed. If condition is false, then the statement 2 will be executed. So if you look at this example, here x and y value is given. X is 8 and y is 4. So if x less than y, so that means x is less than y message will be printed. Else x is greater than y will be printed here. Next, sometimes what happen, we want to check more than one condition. Okay, only one condition is not enough. So we want to check more than one condition. Then in Python, we have the statement is called the like a elif, elif. But if you go to the like other programming language, we have a statement is called else if. Else if is there. But in Python, we have that is called the like a elif. Elif statement is there. So using the elif statement through, we can check the like a more than one condition. So if you want to check more than one condition, then we can use the like a elif statement. We can use it. So let us see, we need to implement it. Here I'm just going to write one more condition. Elif age equals to 18, then print the message you are eligible for voting. Here I'm writing as greater than 18, so you are eligible for voting. As equals to 18, then you are eligible for voting. Else you are not eligible for voting. So this way we can use it. Let's suppose if I'm writing here, instead of elif, I'm writing if only. I'm writing if only instead of elif. So then what will happen? See, output. So now if I'm going to give the value 22. So if you look at the like a condition, 22 is greater than 18. Yes. So you are eligible for voting. 22 equals to 18. No. So it condition is false. Okay. So then what will happen? The output C. Look it. If I'm using multiple if statement, what is happening? Are you getting single result or multiple result we are getting it? Yes.
Multiple, yeah.
Why we are getting multiple result?
Because both condition is means, as per the condition it is passing, so that's why it's giving two results.
Yes. First statement, if you check it, first if statement. So we enter 22. 22 is greater than 18. Yes, we are eligible for voting. Next if statement, 22 equals to 18. No, condition is false. That means it will jump to the else block. So whenever we are writing multiple if statement, so there will be not one result will be getting. Because in case if any if statement will false, okay, if any if block will be false, then it will jump to the like a else part, and the else part result also will be printed. So that's why we are not going to use it here if. So if you have a more than one condition, so we can write elif statement. Elif statement we can write it to check more than one condition. Now I'm giving the value 22. Look it. So you are eligible for voting. So only single result we are getting it. Again I'm executing and I'm giving the value is 18. So that means still I'm getting the message that is you are eligible for voting. If I'm giving the like a value that is called the like a 11, so I'm getting the message you are not eligible for voting. So which one you have to prefer? You have to prefer to check more than one condition, elif statement or if statement. Which one? So do you prefer elif statement to check more than one condition, or if statement you have to prefer?
Elif.
Elif statement you have to prefer it. Okay. So this is the way we are implementing the like a if statement, else statement, elif statement we are using it. So if you look at the flowchart diagram, so here what is happening? So first of all, it is check the condition x less than y. If condition is true, the statement A will be executed. If it is false, then it will be check another condition x greater than y. Then the statement B will be printed here. If both of the condition is true, sorry, false, then else block will be executed. That is nothing but a false statement. We are getting the result. So look at the flowchart. Another example. Here x and y is given, and x and y value 8, 8. So x less than y? No. X equals to 8? Yes. Y. So that means x is same as the y. So that here we will get the result that is called the like a x is same as the like a y. So whenever we are giving both the values are equal. Next, what is switch statement? A switch statement is like a multi-way branch statement to check more than one condition, to compare the like a value of the particular variable, which will be evaluated and it will be give the result. But in Python, there is no switch case concept. Python language doesn't have the like a switch statement. Python uses the like a dictionary concept to implement the like a switch concept. And dictionary always represent the like a key and value pair of the data. And dictionary data, how to represent it? Always we have to write with the like a curly bracket. With curly bracket, we need to write the key and value. Like a 1, Salesh, comma 2, Ganesh, 3, Naresh. So like this, we need to use the like a key value pair of the data with the like a dictionary concept. But in Python, there is no switch case concept. So how do we implement the like a switch case? So we have alternative technique that is called the like a dictionary through we can implement it. But directly there is no switch case concept in the Python. But if you go to the like any other programming language like a Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, okay, so there is the switch case concept is there. But in Python, there is no switch case concept. We need to implement it directly. The Pythonic way to implement the switch statement is used for the like a powerful dictionary mapping, and which is also called as like a associative array. And we always represent the data in the dictionary by using the key value pair of the data we need to represent in the like a dictionary. So let us see how to implement the like a switch case concept by using the like a dictionary implementation through in the Python. So that we have to see it. Okay, but before that, I'm just going to implement more than one more example using the like a if statement. Num equals to int input enter a number, and then I'm using the condition here if num mod 2 equals to 0. Okay, then colon, we need to write print. What will be the message? Num2 mod 2 equals to 0. What will be the message? Yes, Salesh. Salesh,
Yes.
if I check this condition, what will be the message?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, not issue. So if it is divisible by 2 and remainder is 0, so that means it is like a even number. If it is not divisible by 2 and not remainder is 0, that means it will be called like a odd number. So we can say write the message even number. Else print odd number. Now we need to save this file if demo 2. Okay, so now we need to run the program. I'm just going to enter 12. So we got it. It is like a even number because 12 is divisible by 2 and remainder will become the 0. If you look at here, 12 divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12. The minus the remainder is 0. So this is called remainder and this is called quotient. We can say it. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So if remainder is 0, so then we'll get the like, called messages that is called the like a even number. So now suppose again I'm executing the like a program and I'm giving the value that is 13. So that means it is nothing but like a odd number. So if the remainder is not 0, so that means it is like a odd number. So 13 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. After subtraction, we are getting 1. So 1, we are getting the like a remainder, so that it is not a odd number. It is called the like a it is odd number, not a even number, we can say. So this way we can implement the like a what if statement, else if statement, and elif statement. We can use it. So now we are going to implement the like a switch case example. So, but there is no switch case statement in the Python. So how do we implement the like a switch statement in the like a Python? By using the like a dictionary concept. So here I'm just going to create a function, and to create a function in the Python, we always have to use the like a def keyword. What is the keyword? Using the def keyword through, we can create a function. If we go to the like a Java, in Java, we write the function like this: public void display curly bracket open, curly bracket close, write the code here. If you have remember. So we create a function in Java like this. But in Python, we create a function by using the def keyword through, we need to write it. So how to create a function in the Python? By using def keyword. So here I'm just going to write the function name that is called the like a weekdays. And I'm just passing the like a parameter that is called the like a num. I'm passing the like a parameter num. And inside the like a functions, I have to like a declare the one dictionary variable. So like a week number equals to curly bracket open. Here I'm just going to write a 1 for like a Monday, comma, then 2 for like a Tuesday, 2 for Tuesday, comma, 3 for Wednesday, comma, 4 for like a Thursday, comma, 5th for like a Friday, comma, 6th for like a Saturday, comma, 7th for like a Sunday. Then curly bracket close it. So we declare the one dictionary variable by using the like a key and value pair of the data. So then after that, what we need to do? We just have to like a access the key value data and display according to our like a requirement message. So we just have to write it here, print. Okay, what is the like a dictionary variable? Week number. Dot, there is a function is called get function, and we have to pass the like a parameter that is num. Okay, if I'm passing 1, it will be print 1 Monday. If I'm passing 2, then it will be print Tuesday. If none of the value if I'm passing, so that means it will be display invalid choice. Invalid choice message should be like a display. So this will be like a output. Now functions close. Then after that we need to call the function weekdays, and we have to pass the like a parameter here. Means value we need to pass it. So now I'm passing 3. The 3 will be goes it here, and it will be check it into the like a get function. Okay, week number, and what is the value 3? It will check it. If it is 3 is there, the Wednesday. If it is not there, it will be displayed like a invalid choice. Now switch demo. Okay, now we need to run the program. So what is the message we got it? Wednesday. So now suppose if I'm passing the value here 8. So what will be the like output? We'll get the output that is invalid choice. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
So, but there is, yeah, tell me.
Like in the print statement, you return like week number, which is a variable that we don't get. Okay,
Yeah.
why we
No,
highlight
just listen. In dictionary variable, there is a method is called inbuilt method. It's called the get method to read the particular key.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm passing here 8. So that means get method is taking the value that is 8. Okay, so that 8 is going to the here, and then in the print method I'm writing week number, which is a dictionary variable. In the dictionary variable, if you want to read any value So we have to use the get method. To read any value from the dictionary, we have to use the like a get method, and just I have to pass the like a parameter which I'm passing to the like a function. Okay. And if it is matching with the like a key, so it will be return the value. If it is not matching, so it will be return the message invalid choice. Understood?
It's my question is like in Monday one and the weekdays whatever we're mentioning like one is Monday, two is Tuesday, three is Wednesday. Like key
Yes.
and value that is we are mentioning in a switch statement
Yes.
as the switch number we are using. So these all are storing in a week number. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And that we are calling that week number dot get. But why we are giving again as a num? Means because we are storing in a week number, then why are calling this num again? That's my question. That's
This parameter, this variable. Here I'm passing the like a function. This is I've created a function, and that functions I'm calling it with the like a parameter. Now think about it in the like a Java programs. If I'm just writing it here, int x, okay, or int y, I'm passing it. So whenever I call the like a function display, okay, so I can pass it 10 and 20. Yes or no? So whenever I call the display function, so I just have to pass the value 10 and 20. So what is the 10x value? 10. What is the y value? 20.
yes,
Okay. So in this case, suppose if I'm writing a equals to 20 and a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. So in this case, what I can write? I can write a comma b also.
yes.
So a and b are nothing but a variable.
Uh,
Okay. The same as here also I'm passing the like a variable name.
then what about week number?
Week number, that is a dictionary variable name. That is a dictionary variable name. That is the name of the dictionary variable. And that through we are calling here get function.
Okay.
And dictionary variable we write like this. Like for example, I'm just going to write it color. Okay. Colors I'm writing it. Equals to curly bracket. Open curly bracket. Close like this. The colors will be like a red, green, blue. So this is nothing but a dictionary variable. If I want to read the color, then what I can do? I just have to write colors dot get method, and I have to pass the like a index, means key value. So whenever we are passing the like a value to the like a dictionary, always we have to store the like a key with value. Key with value I need to pass it here. The like a 3. And here I just have to write 1. So 1 means what? I'm just going to read the color red color value. Getting or not? Or still if you have confusion?
Because here you are calling one because you want to know the value of one. But
Yes.
num we are calling and because it's all storing this key and value with num
Yes.
we are saying.
Now listen one thing. Here you have created a function. What is the name of the function?
Weekday.
You are passing parameter
Num.
num. And what is the value of num?
Nothing.
8.
Invalid choice.
8. Num value is 8.
No.
Yes or no? I'm passing here 8 num value.
Yeah, okay.
Whenever I'm calling function, I'm passing the value 8. So what is the num value here? 8.
Yes.
So that 8 is goes to here.
Okay.
And it will check it in the dictionary. Is it present or not? It is not present. Then what will be the message?
Invalid choice.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way we are implementing the like a dictionary concept through the like a implementing switch case. But directly we cannot use the switch case in the Python. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the like a different type of like a decision making or conditional statement. So now I am giving some assignment questions which you have to like a note it down. Question number 1. Accept 2 number and check which number is greater. Question number 2, accept a number and check it is divisible by 5 or 3 or both. Question number 3, accept your age and check you are eligible for marry or not. Question number 4, accept a year and check it is leap year or not. Question number 5, accept a character and check it is vowel or consonant. Question number 6, accept 5 subject marks and calculate sum, average and percentage. If percentage greater than 90, then display outstanding. If percentage less than 90 and percentage greater than 80, then display excellent. If percentage less than 80 and percentage greater than 70, then display very good. Otherwise, display good. Question number 7, accept value from user and check it is equilateral triangle or not. Question number 8, accept value from user and check it is valid triangle or not. Question number 9, accept basic salary of employee if basic salary more than 50,000, then employee will be pay tax 15% and then calculate net salary. Question number 10, here like a write a calculator program, 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4th for division. Question number 11. Accept 3 numbers and check which number is greater. Which number is greater? Question number 12. Accept year and month number and display number of days in a month. Number of days in a month. Question number 13. Accept a character and display week day name like 1 for Monday. Accept a character and display weekday name. Question number 14. Accept a number and display month name. Display month name. Okay.